Hello traders, today is February 5th, Monday. We're going to cover manipulation, we're going to cover the Trade Scalper. I'm going to show you something very unique using price action, especially the proprietary price action by DayTradeToWin. Now before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with trading. Alright, to start off, you're going to see these large signals here on the chart. Double wick long, long, double wick long. These are Trade Scalper signals. And when you see a signal, here's another long that just appeared here, 49.55 quarter. When you see these long signals, the idea is to enter long at or close to these prices. We teach the Trade Scalper method as well. We have thousands of people using the Trade Scalper, which is really good, and a lot of them are using it to get funded. So if you're interested in getting funded, the Trade Scalper and the roadmap combination is really important. Now, the zones that you're seeing, the shaded area, that is the roadmap zones. That's also proprietary software. Now, when you combine these two strategies, the roadmap and the Trade Scalper, the idea is to say, do I have an opportunity to go long as it leads me up or as it leads me down to the roadmap zones? So as you can see, the signals appeared before the zone, so going long at either 49.55 quarter or 49.54, regardless, you're going long as it goes up and leads me up into that zone. So it could be for 1 point, 2 points, 3 points. It all depends on the distance. Use the zones, the roadmap zones, as a magnet. Now, once you're in this roadmap zone, I don't know if the market's going to reverse off of it. Typically it does. But if it doesn't, let's say the market is strong. It's strong to the long side and it continues through it. That means it goes straight through to the opposite side and goes above where it says zone C up. That tells me that the market is not being held, it's not being restricted at the roadmap zone, and I can go long now after it breaks through that zone. So I'm waiting to see if it either goes through the zone. We have a double wick long as well inside the roadmap zone, so that's another long opportunity. But I'm waiting for the market to break through the zone to tell me that the zone is not going to be an issue with resistance. And if it happens to reverse, that means the market is being manipulated at this area, and I'm expecting it to turn around and go south for a sell. So until that happens, I'm going to stay on the sidelines. I'm going to be very picky on the trades that we take. Now, we include the roadmap as well as the Trade Scalper with accelerated mentorship. So if you're interested in getting all of the courses and all of the software in one discounted package, the accelerated mentorship is the right choice for you. Okay, it just broke through the zone. That means this is a long opportunity. So I want to enter long, and I am going long, remember, for a reason. A price action trader always has a reason to buy or to sell based on what's occurring in the marketplace. So because it broke through the zone, I now want to go long. I have a target, I have a stop, which is right on the other side of the zone, and I want to enter and see an immediate profit target. Now, another thing that we talk about a lot at DayTradeToWin is how long to stay in the trade. Some of you hold on to signals because you're trailing a stop. That's fine. But if the market's not going in your favor after, let's say, 5, 6, 7 minutes, or let's say 5 or 6 candles, it's time to reevaluate the signal and the trade. Now it's about 12:30. I'm going to show you another example of how we use the roadmap with our trading, especially when it comes to market manipulation. You can see the market's going down, the shaded area, zone A down potential. Now what that means is that if the price, the candles, land in that zone, even if it's by a tick or two, the market could reverse. We're going to do the same thing we did with the previous long position and wait and be just patient with how the market trades at this level. When it comes to trading the roadmap, it's either the market reverses off of it because the market is manipulated, and I guarantee if you have moving averages or MACDs, it's all at this point indicating for you to go short. So just remember that for a moment. all of your conventional indicators are telling you sell the market at this point. With the roadmap being where it is, I rather hold off just a minute or two and confirm that it's going to go through the zone before I sell it. If instead it reverses and starts to head up, we'll see a signal. You'll see the actual candles and the price action reverse off the zone. It will not penetrate through that rectangle where it says zone A down. It will instead visually tell you and visually show you that it's reversing. So we have one candle, the red large candle, that's in the roadmap zone. I call that the setup bar. And now we see two candles that are beginning to come off of it, those two green bars. This is a great opportunity now to go long. We should see a signal here very shortly to tell you how to go long or where to go long. And we actually teach this method as well, where the exact entry is. We anticipate it before it happens. I'm long, 49.63. The reason why I'm long, well, it came down, hit the zone, didn't go through it, stopped it. That's support, and now it's reversing off of it. I use ATM strategy on NinjaTrader. You don't have to if you're not using that, but I use it because it places the targets and the stops semi-automatic for me. Now, if you're new to NinjaTrader, we have a daily trading room we have for members, especially the members in Accelerated Mentorship, that can join in, follow these signals, ask questions, be interactive with other members. This is a bonus and a benefit that we recently implemented. So members, check your member accounts, join us. Beautiful long trade on the roadmap. You saw it live as it comes down, anticipated it, and we have the proof to enter into the trade long. If you like these videos, leave a comment below. Let us know how you're doing with your trading, Forex, futures, stocks, and visit DayTradeToWin.com. Check out the upcoming videos to learn more on price action trading. Until next time, I'll see you on the other side.